Hi, I'm Yolanda Gunter, creative, mother, grandmother, and persuader. There was a time where I was lost. I didn't know what to think of my ideas. I would have these ideas, and all the language that I would hear from others who I would seek out to get advice from was that the idea was too big, or they would make it as if it's just so unattainable. You have to have these massive amounts of bank reserves in order for me to pursue my ideas. Well, I started doing more research and I started taking my ideas, going on the internet, and actually listening to others and how they started out and then following those same steps, those simple steps, registering my name as a business, using my name on the internet and being consistent with it to the point where I was the only one that was on the internet as my handle. My handle is YEMBrandU. After doing that, I started putting visuals to my brand. And I saw just how simple it was to be consistent with my brand. And I also was faced with the insecurities that I had about putting my brand, myself, who I am, what I do, and my ideas out for the whole world to see. I'm a persuader. I listen to other people tell me about their ideas. I visualize their ideas with them and I walk them through what it takes on the inside to get truths and unlock truths, past lies that help you be able to embrace who you are, and what you want to do. And then with my creative abilities, I manifest what you visualize. I grab a hold of your vision and I create the graphics, the visual communications that's needed to share what you're thinking, your idea, and what you want to do with the world. They call it brand management, they call it web development, they call it flyers, graphics, marketing, advertisements, whatever they want to call it. I manifest it. I'm Yolanda, I'm a creator. I'm a creative and I'm a persuader. I take truths and use them to unlock the lies that you can't do it. And let it be seen and shown to you that we can.